That's it. And then you let go.
Hello, this is the officer speaking. No, I don't have any money. No way, oh day, I don't have any money. Hey, what are you looking at me for? Hello, this is the police speaking. No, I don't have any money. I'm ready.
How you pick that one up? Where do you talk? Right.
Hello? No, I do not have any money. What? No, I don't. This is the police speaking. No way, Jose, I'm letting you.
Other way. Other way. That's the mistake everybody makes.
Mm.
You got it. You just about got it. You gotta hang it over the edge there. Just about. Higher. Get it higher. You got it stuck. There you go. Now thread it through. Drop it.
Yeah.
Oh, you almost had it. There you go. Now you know how to hang up a old style receiver.
Hello. No, I do not have money already. Stop calling me. Is this one plugged in?
No.
Is that going to use it?
Here, watch out. Move that.
What? No, I do not have any money already. Stop calling me. What? No. No. Oh, no, already. I do not have any money. They keep on asking me money. I do not have any money.
Okay. Go get your teeth brushed.
Puppy.
Okay. Go get your teeth brushed.